Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the tool and locking in essentials so you can act fast. Place the camera or phone on a steady surface or tripod and enable timer or para remote. This removes rush and jitter. Once done, set composition, eye level or slightly above, 45-degree light for flattering shadows, and tap to focus, then lock exposure to prevent surprises. Make sure battery and storage are sufficient, because nothing wastes momentum like running out mid-shoot. Now you focus on how to look intentional and natural. Start by composing. Use rule of thirds or center, leave headroom, and include negative space for context. Once framed, try 3 to 5 distinct poses. Shift weight, tilt chin slightly, vary expression, and change camera angle or distance between sets. Make sure to review previews and the histogram so you can adjust ISO or shutter speed. If highlights clip, add a reflector or soften light to preserve detail. Finish by critically reviewing and selecting your best frames rather than chasing perfection. You should choose a short list of 3 to 10 keepers, then perform light edits. Crop, straighten, adjust color temperature and contrast, and remove minor distractions. Export at the resolution you need and archive originals alongside labeled edits. If something goes wrong, hair blown, squinting, or blown highlights, change the light angle. Add more fill or use burst mode to capture the precise moment. Small fixes here save time later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.